So every time you come to India, you come to attend a wedding? Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. मैं 40 मिनट कॉम्प्लीट किया आधा घंटा जो 2 महीने लगे। सुन तो लो पूरी बात और टेंस में गलत नहीं करूँगा, जेन्युइन जो जमा हो रहा है ना, आपने वो बीच शेयर की थी, क्या नहीं कर रही थी?
The melody one, right? Yeah, so I've shared with them. तो उनका रिवॉर्ड आया है, यहाँ से ज्वेलरी खरीदे थे last time, the less making charges, amazing services.
So they turned out to be our client.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
हाँ, I know. तो वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा।
नहीं, जो सेंटर वाली पार्ट है ना, वॉल का, जो वॉल का पार्टीशन है सेंटर वाला, हमने उसमें ग्लास देके और उसको हमने 3/4 लिया है, so that anybody can pass through between two offices without entering and exiting.
That is okay, वो वाला चीज़ हम कर सकते थे, but see what I feel is कि मतलब कि मैं जो थोड़ा सा आपसे डिस्कस करना चाह रही हूँ ना, वो 2-3 चीज़ें हैं। देखो, एक तो अगर आप कुछ चेंजेस करवा रहे हो, तो I would want कि वो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी हो।
Absolutely, because वो इलेक्ट्रिकल्स भी तो अकॉर्डिंगली होंगे, एसी भी अकॉर्डिंगली होगा।
उसी के अकॉर्डिंग जो हमने आर्किटेक्चरल ड्राइंग दी, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल दिया है।
Correct. नहीं, I'll make a note of it now. So this change was actually done by dad. वो गए होंगे साइट पे तो उन्होंने अपने हिसाब से चेंज करा लिया।
मैं समझ गई
Absolutely. But मैं इसके अलावा एक बार दोबारा रीचेक करता हूँ if there are any other changes other than this. मेरे को नहीं लग रहा है इसके अलावा कोई भी चेंज है।
मीटिंग रूम आगे शिफ्ट किया है क्या? कि एक बार थोड़ा
मीटिंग रूम तो सेम लोकेशन, कोई चेंज नहीं है उसमें।
ठीक है।
Yeah, man, congrats on becoming a dad.
Thank you. How have you been?
I've been good, bro. Just working hard.
What are you doing there? What do you do?
I work in an office in a hospital.
Oh, interesting. All nurses around you, huh?
Fun stuff. Fun times. Yeah.
Nice, man, nice. So when are you coming to Delhi? 30th Jan.
Yeah.
Just in time for the weekend, huh?
Yeah, but yeah, I think Dad wants to come and see you maybe on that day itself, on the 30th.
So every time you come to India, you come to attend a wedding?
Yeah, pretty much, bro. It's pretty much how.
That's awesome, man. That's amazing.
And then we do like 50 other things.
Yeah, makes sense.
How are you guys? How's everything?
All good, man. All good. It's lovely here.
Yeah.
The weather is getting so much better. It's getting warmer here now. Finally, winters are over here. And anyway, it's not as cold as it was in the UK, but it's getting better now. It's amazing. It's opening up.
Yeah.
Like
It's a really fun place generally to go out in.
Man, that zone in itself is like a culinary delight. You can just keep enjoying food. It's next level.
It's super lively, yeah. But anyway, I'm staying for a bit longer in India, so I've got a little bit at the end of the trip as well. So if you guys are free, then the time.
For sure. Let me know. See, I'm free all day. No problem. All day, as in like all nights. After 9, I'm all free. So let's catch up for a drink or two, man. Whenever you're here.
Yeah, for sure. We'll do something. Because basically, so we're in Delhi till like the 4th.
Okay.
So the main thing is like the wedding, obviously, and the ring stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll have a couple of days after the wedding is over on the 2nd.
Anytime. Whenever you're free. Let me know.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an amazing.
I'm doing like a couple of things.
There's an amazing bar. I'll take you there. You're gonna have a ball.
Okay.
It's like your kind of place.
Yeah.
All jazzy and amazing. Yeah. That's when you're back again, right?
Yeah. So then I'm on my own. So then we can do whatever.
Perfect. Let's do that.
Chill party normal. So.
Done, man. Done.
Okay. Cool.
All right. Let me know whenever you're here.
Yeah. No worries, man.
Lovely.
Do you need something? Anything?
From UK? I'll let you know, man, if I need anything. Maybe from the airport or something. And I'll ask Shreya maybe if she needs anything related to the baby. But I don't think, she's good for now. Ajna keeps sending her like packages, Masi packages.
Yeah, you get everything in Dubai anyway, don't you? So.
Yeah. Awesome, dude. See you when you're here.
Alright, I'll see you soon then, man. Alright.
Bye. So that was one of our clients from UK, and I'll show you what he likes. So we are creating a custom ring for him. Let's see. We'll show you the finished product. जब पूरा बन के आएगा ring, we'll show you the CAD. We'll show you the whole process. that how we make the ring. So this is the stone that he has selected. This one, not this one, square one, ये वाला, ये blue sapphire है. And जो इसका हम ring बनाएंगे, पहले हम इसका CAD बनाएंगे. We'll send it off to our designing team. They will make a CAD for the ring. Then we'll set this stone for him, and then we'll go meet him. And when we meet him, he's an interesting guy. We'll do like a short V-call with him, and then when he puts it on, maybe then we can see how it looks on his hand. So Anirudh, stay tuned. We are super excited to design this ring for you, and see you soon. Come soon to Delhi. It's time to party. So where were we? Order policy. So all studded jewelry, including antique gold and diamond jewelry. Yellow gold above 50 grams. Yellow gold jewelry above 50 grams. And next is that's it.